Welcome to Learning English with Jennifer and Levent. I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Levent. So glad you joined us.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Jennifer and Levent.
Hello, Jennifer. Hello, listeners. I'm Levent.
How are you today, Levent?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm very good. Thank you for asking. Today we will learn English together, slowly and clearly.
That sounds great.
Let's start with greetings. Hello. Can you say hello?
Hello.
Good. Now, hi.
Hi.
Very nice. Now, good morning.
Good morning.
Great. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good night.
Good night.
Let's practice together. I say good morning, and you answer good morning. Ready?
Ready.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Excellent. Now, how do you say, how are you?
How are you?
Perfect. And you can answer, I'm fine, or I'm good.
I'm fine. I'm good.
Let's practice for our listeners. Repeat after us. Hello.
Hi.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Great job, everyone.
Now, let's learn numbers. We'll start from 1 to 10. Ready?
Yes.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10.
Good job. Now, let's count together slowly. 1,
1, 2,
two,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wonderful.
Can we go to 20?
Yes, let's do it. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Nice. Now let's play a little game. I say a number, and you say the next one. Ready?
Okay.
1,
2,
3,
4,
8,
9,
10.
11.
Excellent. Listeners, you can practice this at home. Count every day. Now let's learn the days of the week.
Oh, yes. I want to learn that.
Listen and repeat. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Great.
I like Sunday
Why Sunday?
because I can sleep late.
Me too. Let's practice again. What day is after Monday?
Tuesday,
What day comes before Friday?
Thursday.
Excellent. Listeners, can you say all the days with us?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Now, let's look around us. What do you see, Levent?
I see a table,
Good. Table. And what is this?
a chair,
Yes. Table, chair. This is a book.
book,
This is a pen.
pen,
And this is a phone.
phone.
Can you name some things you have in your bag?
I have a book, a pen, and a phone.
Great sentence. Let's repeat for our listeners. Table, chair, book, pen, phone.
I can say it too. Table, chair, book, pen, phone.
Wonderful. Now let's talk about food. What do you like to eat, Levent?
I like apples.
Apples. Healthy choice. I like bananas.
I like bananas too.
Okay, let's learn some food words. Repeat after me. Bread,
Bread,
rice,
rice,
chicken,
chicken,
salad,
salad,
apple,
apple,
banana.
banana.
Good job. Now let's learn drinks.
Okay.
Water,
Water,
tea,
tea,
coffee,
coffee,
milk,
milk,
juice.
juice.
Very good.
I drink coffee every morning.
Nice. I drink tea every morning. Let's make a short practice. I'll say, I like, and you finish the sentence.
Okay.
I like,
Apples.
I drink.
Water.
Excellent. Listeners, you can do this too. Say, I like, and name your favorite food. I drink, and name your favorite drink. Now, let's talk about our day. What time do you wake up, Levent?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Great. I wake up at 6. What do you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I eat breakfast.
Wonderful sentences. Let's teach our listeners some daily actions. Repeat after me. Wake up.
Wake up.
Brush teeth.
Brush teeth.
Wash face.
Wash face.
Eat breakfast.
Eat breakfast.
Go to work.
Go to work.
Go to school.
Go to school.
Eat lunch.
Eat lunch.
Go home.
Go home.
Eat dinner.
Eat dinner.
Watch TV.
Watch TV.
Take a shower.
Take a shower.
Go to bed.
Go to bed.
Sleep.
Sleep.
Perfect.
My day is busy.
Mine too. Let's make a short story. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I eat lunch. I go home. I eat dinner. I watch TV. I take a shower. I go to bed. I sleep.
That is a good routine.
Yes. Listeners, you can try to say your daily routine too. Practice every day. Now, let's do a small quiz for practice.
Okay.
Question 1. What comes after Monday?
Tuesday.
Correct. Question 2. What number is after 9?
10.
Yes. Question 3. What is round and red?
Apple.
Good. Question 4. What do you drink in the morning?
Coffee.
Excellent. Question 5. What do you do at night?
I sleep.
Very good, Levent. Listeners, you can answer too. Listen again. It helps you remember new words. Question 1. What comes after Monday?
Tuesday.
Correct. Question 2. What number is after 9?
10.
Yes. Question 3. What is round and red?
Apple.
Good. Question 4. What do you drink in the morning?
Coffee.
Excellent. Question 5. What do you do at night?
I sleep.
Very good, everyone. Let's make a small conversation using what we learned. Ready?
Ready.
Hello, Levent.
Hello, Jennifer. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine.
What day is it today?
It is Monday.
What do you do on Monday?
I go to work.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
What do you drink?
I drink coffee.
And what time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10 o'clock.
Perfect. Listeners, you can make your own short conversation at home. Use hello, how are you, what do you eat, and what do you drink? Okay, let's review what we learned today. We learned greetings, hello, hi, good morning, how are you?
I'm fine. Thank you.
We learned numbers 1 to 20.
1, 2, 3. Yes.
We learned days of the week, Monday to Sunday.
I like Sunday.
We learned objects, table, chair, book, pen, phone.
My phone is on the table.
We learned food and drinks, bread, rice, apple, banana, water, tea, coffee.
I like bananas and tea.
We learned daily actions, wake up, brush teeth, eat breakfast, go to work, sleep.
I wake up at 7 and go to work.
Excellent.
Thank you, Jennifer. I learned many new words today.
You did great, Levent.
And our listeners did great too.
Yes. Thank you, everyone, for listening.
Practice every day, listen again, speak slowly.
And remember, learning English takes time, but you can do it.
See you next time.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Thanks for joining. See you in the next video.